Nakatulog ka ba ng maayos kagabi? Did you sleep well last night? Anong pananghalian natin ngayon? What's for our lunch today? Paano mo sinisimulan ang araw mo? How do you start your day? Nabalitaan mo ba yung balita kaninang umaga? Did you catch the news this morning? Na-traffic ka ba ngayong araw? Did you get stuck in the traffic today? Anong mga iniisip mo nitong nakaraan? What's been in your mind lately? Kumusta ang pamilya mo? How's your family doing? Anong unang mong ginagawa pagkagising? What's the first thing you do when you wake up? Plano mo bang magluto mamayang gabi? Are you planning to cook for tonight? Naglilibang ka man lang ba kasama ng mga kaibigan mo? Are you catching up with your friends? Madalas ka ba sa labas ngayong araw? Have you been outside much today? Ano ang madalas mong gawin pagkatapos kumain? What do you usually do after eating? Kanino ka nakikipag-usap pagkatapos magalit? To whom do you speak with after you get mad? Anong gusto mong gawin sa Sabado? How do you like to spend your Saturday? Nakatikim ka na ba ng oyster? Have you tried eating an oyster? Ano ang balak mo sa susunod na linggo? What are you planning to do next week? Nahihilo ka rin ba sa van? Do you also feel dizzy when you ride in a van? Palagi ka bang huli sa trabaho mo? Are you always late for work? Sino ang madalas mong kinakausap kapag malungkot ka? Who do you usually talk to when you are sad? Paano ka ba matulog? How do you sleep? Dumadalaw ka ba sa mga magulang mo paminsan-minsan? Do you visit your parents once in a while? Magagalit ka ba kapag nalaman mo ang totoo? Will you be mad if you know the truth? Nangyari na din ba ito sa'yo? Did this happen to you too? Paano ka nasanay sa ganitong klaseng buhay? How do you get used to this kind of life? Kinausap mo ba sila pagkatapos ng nangyari? Did you talk to them after what happened? Naiintindihan mo ba kung ano ang nangyayari? Do you understand what's going on?